Today, I will be taking you to Mount Salem at the Children's Hospital construction site, show you a quick shot of a new mural, swing by Margaritaville's reconstruction, stop by Saturday's beach cleanup, and see what is this new construction at Westgate. Welcome back to RC Island Girl Jamaican Vlogs. I'm Artsy and this is our development series where we focus on developments taking place in Montego Bay, Jamaica and across the world. If you're interested in these types of videos, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, share and subscribe. Now let's get into it. Number 1. Saturday was International Coastal Cleanup Day. And I stopped by a beach cleanup put on by Montego Bay Marine Park at the Old Hospital Park located on Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. Main sponsors Jet, Stanley's Patties, 27 Lounge, Pete Man Board, and Recycle Partners of Jamaica. As you can see, the volunteers are working hard despite the heat of the sun, and it was blazing hot. Of course, they have their gloves, dark glasses, and hats, plus the obligatory reggae music, water, and food to make the work lighter. The day was successful with over 200 volunteers and 1,700 pounds of garbage removed from the old hospital beach. Montego Bay Marine Park should be having an underwater cleanup next week, and I will try to attend. Number 2. Have you seen the Reggae Dancehall Wall of Fame mural outside the home of Reggae Sumfest? Well, I've passed this mural quite a few times and I finally got a chance to snap a couple pictures of it. The 2024 summer sun seems to be shining a lot brighter and stronger than usual, and I think we needed, more time away from each other. So I stayed in the comfort of the taxi and snapped a couple shots for you. Here they are. The artist is Maxi, and sir, I choose my battles wisely, and today I choose not to fail in pronouncing your name, so here it is on the screen. I must say he really captures the essence of each artist represented in the mural, and I think he did a very good job. Don't you agree? Let me know in the comments. Number 3, of course, I had to stop by Margaritaville on Jimmy Cliff Boulevard to see how that project was progressing. As you know, they suffered some damages when Montego Bay's waterfront was battered and pummeled by rain, wind, and waves that accompanied the cold front back in February of this year. Number 4. A couple of you have been requesting an update on the Western Children and Adolescents Hospital in Montego Bay, and here it is. So I stopped by the construction site to see if there have been any changes, and I will compare with our last recording. So work continues on the Western Children and Adolescents Hospital being built on the Cornwall Regional Hospital grounds. We learned earlier in the year that they were recruiting to fill 1,208 positions at the hospital. This was shared by the Minister of Health and Wellness, Dr. Christopher Tufton. Children 18 years and under will be able to access medical services at the hospital upon its completion, which has been scheduled for June 2025. When completed, the Western Children and Adolescents Hospital will have 8 floors and 220 beds. According to this article, they will offer 17 specialties and subspecialties, including general pediatric and adolescent medicine, neonatology, pediatric cardiology, nephrology, neonatal surgery, critical care, among others. Number 5. According to Lennox Wallace, parish manager for the St. James Health Department, St. James will be getting 4 additional health centers. The construction is expected to begin in January 2025 and will cost approximately $500 million and will be funded by the National Health Fund. The health centers will be located in Farm Heights, Norwood, Maroontown, and New Hampton. They will also be repairing some existing health centers. Number 6. Progressive Grocers of Jamaica is planning to add 2 more complexes to their business group, one in Harborview, Kingston, and the other in Catherine Hall Estate in Westgate, St. James. Where is that exactly? I've been racking my brain trying to figure that out. Now, according to this article, the Financial Gleaner understands that 2 complexes are under construction in the area within close proximity to 2 older Shoppers Fair supermarkets. The precise address was not revealed in the NEPA documents. Now, the only Shoppers Fair supermarkets I know of in the Westgate area is the one on the Westgate Shopping Center. I should add that I've been seeing some work taking place behind Westgate Shopping Center, closer to Westgate Hills. What do you think? Are they planning on refurbishing and expanding, or is it an entirely new development? The new complexes will take up 5,000 square meters. So it looks like they're building a foundation and like they're working on a drain over this side. So I had to stop by and get some shots for you. Let me know what you think in the comments. By the way, the NEPA approval was for the construction and operation of an office and commercial complex. That's what I have for you today. Learn more about developments in Montego Bay in this next video.